And as promised, welcome back everyone. So Margot, you asked for 2 more drawings in our last video.
Yeah.
Which one are we going to do now?
A cute pencil.
A cute pencil. Oh, okay. So let's draw a pencil first, and then we're going to make it as cute as possible. Eventually I would start from the tip, let's say. So we have a V, sort of a V, and we can have a little bit like, you know, the little thing that we have for pencils when they are sharpened. And obviously we have here the tip. So going down, what we have, because this has to be cute, which means very round, let's say. So a little thing like that. It won't be too tall. And then we have closing here, and then usually pencils have a little part that it's metal. Yeah, there's the metal between the wood and the pencil. Yeah, and then we can make the rubber to be like a balloon.
How is that rubber?
Huh? It's a big rubber. Okay, so then we have, just to show that there are part in there, and then the last thing missing, it's actually the cute face. So we're going for an open mouth, as we do many times. We make it to be black, and then we go for an eye in here, which has a little reflections like that. And then let's make it wig.
Wait, I know what that looks like.
Okay.
It looks like a bouncy ball. That pencil is bouncing on his head.
It just has a very huge rubber. Okay, what do you think?
That's
it?
like a type of fish that has a big brain. You know?
Oh yeah, I know that one. Yes.
It is very similar to like a clownfish. But clownfishes are really long.
Okay, guys, this was very quick. What do you think? Good, perfect. So let's see each other to our next drawing.